Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to prevent specific users from seeing your bio on Telegram Web on your PC. This new update gives you more control over your privacy, and it's super easy to set up. So let's get started right away. First, open Telegram Web on your computer and make sure you're logged in with your account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top left corner and click on the three horizontal lines. That's your main menu button. Next, select Settings. This will open up a list of options where you can customize your Telegram experience. From there, click on Privacy and Security. This section is where all your privacy controls are located, including who can see your bio information. Now, look for the bio option and click on it. By default, it's usually set to Everybody, meaning anyone who has access to your profile can view your bio description. But Telegram now allows you to fine-tune this setting by blocking specific users from seeing it. After clicking on Everybody, you'll notice a section labeled Never Allow. Click on that. This is the key step. In this part, you can pick and choose the exact users you want to hide your bio from. Telegram gives you full flexibility. Maybe there's someone you prefer to keep things private from, or you just want a cleaner experience.